Hey, what's up, digital hustlers? Anukool here from the AI Marketing School, where we make marketing magically profitable. Now, before you roll your eyes and think another AI video, let me stop you right there. This isn't just about using AI to make a couple extra bucks. No. We're talking about radically changing how you approach online business. Imagine if you could automate your entire YouTube channel and still create content that rakes in views and makes money. Intrigued? Good. Stick with me because today I'm revealing how to harness two game-changing AI tools that'll do everything from finding your niche to scripting, producing, and even uploading your videos, all while saving you time and money. Get ready to level up. Let's dive in. All right, buckle up because we're going to talk about two supercharged AI tools, Magic and InVideo AI. These aren't just your average software. These are like your personal assistant, editor, and creative director, all wrapped in one shiny digital package. Let's break down how they'll work wonders for your YouTube hustle. So, you want to make money on YouTube, right? Well, your first step is finding a niche that actually pays. And no, we're not talking about that random vlog about my cat channel, unless your cat has serious personality. We're talking about niches with high revenue per mil, RPM. That's how much you get paid per 1,000 views. Think of RPM like your digital gold mine. You want to find niches where advertisers are willing to pay big bucks to target that audience. And don't stress. Magic's Niche Explorer has your back. You just plug in a category and boom, it shows you the RPMs for different niches, along with example channels. For example, did you know that the retirement travel niche pays nearly $20 per 1,000 views? That's serious cash. You could be talking about hidden gems for retirees and stacking up those digital dimes in no time. Here's the catch. Don't just go after the most lucrative niches like investing or tech because of their high RPMs. If you're not passionate about the subject, your content will show it. And no AI can help you fake authenticity. Once you've nailed your niche, you need content ideas. Here's where Magic really shines. Using their video ideas tool, you can take the handle of a successful channel in your niche, and it will instantly generate video ideas based on what's already worked. So let's say you're diving into that retirement travel niche. You could plug in a channel like Scary Harry, I know, strange name, and it'll generate video ideas like 10 hidden villages where you can live like royalty. And trust me, people eat that stuff up. It's like having a personal brainstorming session with an entire team of experts, except it's faster and cheaper. No more staring at a blank screen for hours. Pro tip: always validate your ideas. Use Magic's video research to see if other videos on the same topic have gone viral. You don't want to spend time creating content that no one will watch. Okay, now you've got your video ideas. What's next? It's time to script your videos. And here's the beauty of Magic's script generator. No more stressing over writing scripts. You paste in your title, set your word count, minimum 1,500 words for that sweet ad revenue. And voila, a perfectly structured script is generated for you. Whether it's an introduction, body, or conclusion, Magic Scriptwriter will deliver exactly what you need. This isn't just about convenience. These scripts are optimized for YouTube's algorithm, so you're getting both engaging content and SEO-friendly scripts that get seen by the right people. That's a win-win. Watch out. Here's a nugget of wisdom. Don't just copy-paste the script. Spice it up, add your personality, tweak the tone, and throw in a couple of your own ideas. Remember, your audience is here for you. AI can't replace that. All right, now that you've got the script, it's time to turn it into a full-on video. You could do the editing yourself. Good luck with that. Or you could use InVideo AI. This tool is like magic in a box. Just paste your script into InVideo, choose your background music, pick your voiceover style, and boom, the video is generated for you. No cameras, no microphones, no editing software. It's all done for you literally in minutes. Think of it like having a Hollywood production team for a fraction of the cost. The best part? The AI picks out stock footage and even adds subtitles to keep viewers engaged. You can also adjust things like the voiceover or music to make it your own. It's plug-and-play content creation at its finest. One thing to keep in mind: stick to YouTube's audio library for music, because using royalty-free music outside of YouTube's platform can get you into copyright hot water. Trust me, the last thing you want is to have your video taken down because of some background music. Now here's where the real magic happens. With these tools in your arsenal, you're not just creating videos, you're building a fully automated YouTube channel. From ideation and scripting to editing and uploading, AI tools like Magic and InVideo AI free up your time, so you can focus on scaling up your empire. It's like setting up a money printing machine. While you're sipping your coffee or playing with your dog, your channel keeps running in the background, generating passive income. And hey, that's the dream, right? Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, Anukool, but do I really need all this tech? Here's the thing, you don't need to be a tech genius to make this work. If you're willing to follow a few simple steps, these tools will do the heavy lifting for you. And if you think AI sounds complicated, trust me, it's not. We've broken it down so you can make smart work over hard work every time. Start small. Don't try to build a YouTube empire overnight. Focus on creating quality content consistently and use AI to streamline the process. Once you've got that down, the sky's the limit. All right, now it's your turn. What's your dream YouTube channel idea? Got a niche in mind? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'll be sure to give you some feedback. And if you're serious about turning this AI magic into real money, hit that subscribe button. I drop fresh strategies every week to help you stack those digital dollars. Let's grow together. So, to recap, finding your niche, generating unlimited content ideas, scripting like a pro, and creating videos in minutes sounds like the future of YouTube, right? Remember, in digital marketing, the smartest work wins. Keep learning, keep earning, and you'll get there. Oh, and don't forget to check out TheAIMarketingSchool.com for deeper dives into marketing and business strategies, because we're just getting started. Catch you in the next one. Until then, keep hustling and let the AI magic do its thing.